Today we are going to see all the 3 ways to propagate snake plant with results. I believe you already know that snake plant is one of the most popular indoor and very hardy plants. Many people love them simply because they are very low maintenance plant and they purify air too. That's why most people keep them in indoor. Alright, let's take a look how we can multiply snake plant very easily. But before that, I have a request, and if you are new to gardening a bit, then please consider subscribing. First method is propagation from leaf. We can get many snake plants simply from a single leaf. But there are few drawbacks and I will discuss it very soon. Here I am taking one leaf from one of my snake plant. Next, making few small pieces. While cutting the leaves, please be bit careful and keep them in proper order, or else later you may forget which way was the up and which way was the down. For the pot, selected this small pot, and for potting soil mix I am taking 80% coco peat and rest 20% vermicompost. We can also use normal garden soil, but success rate may be low if we use just normal garden soil. For example, here you can see that I planted lots of leaf cuttings, but only few made it. If we use normal garden soil, there is a great chance that leaf cuttings are going to rot. Alright, let's plant the cuttings quickly. At the time of planting, please keep near about ½ inch inside the soil. Next, water it well and then keep the pot only in bright area, not under direct sunlight. Let's take a look at the updates. So guys, it's after 180 days. I could have recorded this part long back, as you have seen that we are able to see the first shoot after 60 days. They are also growing quite well, and let's take a look what's happening inside. %100% successful result, and we got 6 new plants from 4 leaf cuttings. That's quite great, right? There is one more interesting thing. See, we can take out the offshoot from the leaf and then plant the same leaf cutting again. After some days, the leaf cuttings are going to produce more offshoots, and this way we can have plenty of snake plants very easily. But there is a big disappointing news here. See, whenever we propagate from leaf cuttings, the new leaves are not going to be the variegated one. For example, here you can see that the new leaves are plain green, and here is the mother plant. Same thing is visible in this case as well. Though the leaves are still somewhat variegated, the yellow pattern is not there. So this is not the right way to clone your favorite snake plant. Quite disappointing, right? Let's take a look at the best method to clone your favorite snake plant. It's simple and we need to divide them. Here is one of my other plant which I collected from nursery. Right here, this is the main plant, and we can see 2 new offshoots from the mother plant. The second one is sprouting, and as there is no soil to spread, let's divide the plant in the middle. Dividing is also simple, just cut in the middle, and please also make sure that the cutting has some roots. Got divided nicely, and next we can plant them. For planting using a 6-inch pot, and for the potting soil mix I am doing it like normal garden soil 30%, coco peat 25%, vermicompost 25% and perlite 20%. Please note, this is really very important. After planting the new offshoots, whether you are planting the new shoots from the leaves or by dividing, please make sure not to keep the pot under direct sunlight immediately, or else they might rot within few days. After planting, please also avoid watering too much. Watering lightly would be enough, and then keep the pot in bright area. Once you see some new growth, you can keep the pot under direct sunlight if you like. Let's take a look at the last method. It's same as the first method, but we are going to use water instead of coco peat. Here I am taking one glass and then using one tissue paper on the bottom. This is not required, but I am using so that leaf cuttings get a moist environment in case I forget to water. There is also no need to add too much water. As we can see, leaf cuttings are already starting to produce the roots. We can plant them now itself, but it would be much better to wait until and unless they don't produce new offshoots. I did this winter and that's why it took quite a while, and for better result, please propagate in spring or in summer. So guys, basically saying these are the three best methods to propagate the snake plants. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.